Today I will teach you how to add tax in the automated accounting system, Botkeeping. The first thing you need to do is log in to your account. Type your company name, for example, I will type Shein Water, the name of the software developer, ripacmarketingsolution.com. Then enter. Once you've reached the site, click the login button. Fill in the form with your email and password. Once you've finished filling in, click Sign In. After entering, navigate to the Tax Settings module at the left side. Click the Tax Setting module. Then click the plus button above. An empty field will appear that we need to fill in. Start by typing in the name of the tax that you want to add. Then the type of tax. The taxes following description. The rate of the tax. And the chart account where it belongs. If all is set, click the Create button. After filling in the field, a piece of information will appear. It informs the user that the operation that is taken is successful. Thank you for watching the video. For more videos about the automated accounting system, Botkeeping, click the subscribe button below, or you can visit us on our website and Facebook page in the link that is shown. Have a good day ahead.